Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and mute or unmute someone's status on WhatsApp. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, the first thing would be simply for you to access your WhatsApp. Once you have done, this kind of interface is gonna pop up, right? So you're simply gonna go ahead, first go to this option called updates, and now here you're gonna find status, people's status over here, right? So you're gonna find people's updates, okay, their status, right? So first thing you're gonna go ahead, simply go ahead, tap on the personal status and tap on this three dot icon beside and tap on mute. Now you tap on this mute again. Now you have been able to mute this person's status, right? And now again, and here in the section you can see this viewed updates, muted updates, just right how I gave in here. You're gonna go ahead, tap on this muted updates. You're gonna find that person, go ahead, tap on it. Now tap on this three dot icon beside again and tap on this unmute, and again confirm it. Now you have been able to unmute or that person right there. That is how you can simply mute somebody's status and unmute them just like that. So this is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.